Hey everyone, welcome back to RoboArmy.
In today's tutorial, we'll build a sound reactive running LED project using an Arduino Uno, 15 LEDs and a sound sensor. Whenever the sound sensor detects a clap or a loud sound, one light pulse starts from the first LED and moves toward the last LED. If we clap again while the first pulse is still moving, another pulse starts behind it in the same way. Now multiple claps create multiple moving light pulses, making the effect look more exciting. Now components required: Arduino Uno, sound sensor module, 15 LEDs, 15 220 ohm resistors, breadboard, jumper wires, USB cable, OTG adapter, Android smartphone, Arduino Droid app. Circuit connections. First, place all 15 LEDs on the breadboard in one straight line with equal spacing. Every LED has two legs. The longer leg is positive, also called the anode, and the shorter leg is negative, also called the cathode. Now connect one 220 ohm resistor to the positive leg of each LED. Connect the negative leg of every LED to the breadboard's ground rail. Connect the LEDs to the Arduino as follows. LEDs 1 to 12 with connected to Arduino pin 2 to 13. LED 13 will be connected to A0, LED 14 will be connected to A1, and LED 15 will be connected to A2. The analog pins A0, A1 and A2 are being used as the digital output pins in this project. Now connect the sound sensor. Connect VCC to Arduino 5V, connect GND to Arduino GND, connect AO to Arduino A5. The D0 pin is not required, so leave it disconnected. Then connect the breadboard ground rail to the GND pin of the Arduino Uno. Now how it works. The sound sensor continuously monitors sound level. When a clap exceeds the preset threshold, Arduino creates a new moving light pulse that travels across all 15 LEDs. Every clap generates a separate pulse, allowing multiple running lights to move simultaneously. Code overview. The code stores all 15 LED pins inside an array. It continuously reads the sound sensor value from pin A5 and compares it with the sound threshold. Whenever a clap is detected, the code creates a new pulse and stores in its current LED position. The code can control multiple pulses at the same time, so more than one moving light can travel across the LEDs together. There are three main settings in the code. The sound threshold controls the sound sensitivity. If the project starts automatically without clapping, increase this value. If the clap is not detected, decrease this value. The frame delay controls the LED movement speed. A higher value makes the light move slower, a lower value makes it move faster. The clap gap prevents one clap from being detected multiple times. Uploading through Arduino Droid. Now we will upload the code using an Android smartphone. First, install the Arduino Droid application on your Android phone. Connect the Arduino Uno to the phone using the USB cable and OTG adapter. When the phone asks for USB permission, press Allow. Now open Arduino Droid and create a new sketch. Delete the default code and paste the complete project code. Select Arduino Uno from the board option. First press compile and wait until the code is compiled successfully. Then press upload. Once the upload is complete, the LEDs will perform a quick startup test. After that, project will start responding to sound. Clap once, and one light pulse will move from the first LED to the last LED. Clap twice, and two pulses will move one after another. Clap three times, and three moving pulses will appear. And that's it. Our Arduino Sound Reactive Running LED project is ready. This project is a simple and interesting way to understand sound sensing, LED control, arrays, and multiple running light effects. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to RoboArmy. We'll see you in the next video.
RoboArmy. One-stop global community for teens in robotics and AI.